Ia uitați-vă ce fac urși ăștia. S-a dus la mașină la sfârșit. N-am ce să-ți dau. N-am ce să-ți dau, mă. Nu am ce să-ți dau.
You catch a glimpse of yourself in the mirror and realize you actually are the drama. You're trying to have a serious conversation, but your friend is a literal bird brain who only cares about their good side.
มะนาวเรียบร้อยเหมือนชื่อเลยค่ะเรียบร้อยมาก
You're trying to have a dramatic breakdown, but your pug thinks you're just a highly inefficient Uber.
súbete súbete computador
Eso, vamos. El perrito mañanero y lo miro y sonero.
¿Cómo soy?
It's all done.
done.
It's all
Hurry, everybody in here. Yeah, puppies.
Come on, Jericho, get in the house. Come on.
You forget how to cat and accidentally try to join the secret society of door knockers.
Okay.
You're trying to enjoy your garden in peace, but the neighborhood watch decides to stage a full intervention. You're trying to save for retirement, but the IRS is a literal predator. You're trying to do your job, but your coworker is strictly here for the vibes and the splash zone. Typical manager, just watching while I do. Explaining to my mom that the giant chicken outside is definitely a dinosaur and we are currently in Jurassic Park.
They'll come inside. They'll come inside. Okay. He's coming inside.
No.
What?
No.
The spa day is so good you actually transcend to another dimension for a second and then have to remember who you are. You decide to trade your dignity for a giant sock and immediately realize the paparazzi is watching. No thoughts, just sock.
Thank you, Mia.
The beat drops, but you are also a 4-ton vegetarian who just wants to see if there are any snacks inside the snare drum. I have spent the last 10 minutes trying to calculate exactly when this red headband is going to hit me in the face, and I still do not like the math. You have $0, but the service is impeccable. You spend the whole week hyping yourself up for the pool party only to realize you never actually learned how to swim. Witness the shortest swan dive in history. You're trying to play it cool on the first date, but you see the appetizers coming. From shy neighbor to professional nut thief in record time. Grab and go is the only way to survive the winter. parrot, but you clearly identify as a fallen turtle who has accepted their fate.
You live? Hold on, let me get that treat for you.
You realize the burrito was a limited time offer and you just finished the limit. You ask your friend for a tiny sip of their drink and your soul leaves your body for a second. You try to sneak a snack at 3 a.m. but the snack starts throwing hands and now you are reconsidering your entire life strategy. The GPS says the route is faster but forgets to mention you need a submersible vehicle. You decide to act natural, but you still can't stop thinking about that one embarrassing thing you said in 2000. I spent 45 minutes on this skincare routine just for the cat to decide.
Ipa?
I have conquered the summit and now I shall judge you from my ivory tower. You have to be the parent, but you're not ready for the responsibility of your own face. You're trying to stay under the radar, but your neck didn't get the memo. That awkward moment when you try to blend in with the car, but you're actually just a long-necked extension of the mud flap. Me trying to act natural when my crush walks by while I'm literally just a bird by IKEA. He really thought pointing at the sky would make him invisible. You're a DIY enthusiast, but you're also a horse. This spa day is sponsored by the local hardware store.
The face that we're looking at?
You think you're having a deep bonding night with the boys, but the dog is the only one actually present in the room.
Go to work. Can we go to work? We're gonna go to work. Yeah, let's go to work.
The backup singer takes their solo way too seriously.
Мы только вышли.
The treat drawer opens and you suddenly realize you have a furry shadow with a 100% success rate in the art of persuasion.
That's sick.
You're a long dog, but the service is even longer. Honestly, I am just here. If it fits, I sits. Just a border collie identifying as a bowl of cereal today. One of us is the main course and the other... You're trying to have a serious internal crisis in your woven basket, but your human insists on playing Boop the Snoot.
Мама купила какой тебе кусок мяса огромный.
The person with the laser pointer finally gets a real job at the zoo.
여기서 전화번호 따갈 거 왔어?
핸드폰 없다고.
Gabi.
You are the fastest in the world, but you realize life is better at 0 mph. He is literally using a tank as a pillow, and I have never been more jealous of a nap.
Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god. Holy yeah, yep, that's it.
They said the outdoors was calling. I didn't realize it was coming over for dinner without texting first.
Okay, I guess you.
Just another night of the local wildlife. You're trying to be healthy and eat just one nut, but the universe...
Все, вы все пообщались? Все. Лаки, пиздец. Все нормально? Идем.
I just wanted a sip of water, but now I am the honorary nesting site for a very confused and very yellow cup-wearing bird. Try to take a relaxing bath, but the paparazzi won't stop splashing you for likes. Honestly, the level of disrespect from this tourist is a real fan. You are desperately looking for a forever home and realize that even Frankenstein is a better listener than your ex. He is a little stiff, but at least he is not going to ghost me.
In the big belly, you're just so nice all the time. You're just a big, big boy.
Don't do it. You're gonna fall. You're gonna...
Oh, no, 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 no.
You're trying to enjoy your screen time, but your tech support... I have spent 5 minutes carefully explaining my plan to the cat, and he still looks like he is about to leave a one... When the belly rubs hit the perfect chord and you realize you were a rock star in a past life.
Wow.
Sir, this is a private charter, not a public carpool. Your Uber... You hear a bag of chips open from 3 rooms away and you have to confirm...
Come on.
You're trying to be a majestic river otter, but remember you're actually a dachshund with 0 upper body strength.
Okay. Okay. What are you doing? Guess what? I got my nails done so I can give you the...
You're 3 bites into the snack and realize you forgot to breathe. That mid-chew existential crisis hits... Your tiny friend is technically the one taking you for a walk, but you are the one providing the security and the gravitational pull.
Now, here we go.